SLA is the go-to technology for larger, single-build prints. At Materialize, we have developed our own patent mammoth stereolithography machines. These machines enable us to 3D print parts up to 2 meters long in a single build. That's the size of an entire car bumper. Stereolithography is one of the most widely used rapid prototyping technologies for plastic models, including for those with complex geometries. Printing masters for copying techniques such as vacuum casting is another ideal application for stereolithography, as is making visual prototypes for photo shoots and market testing. SLA is well suited to produce a wide range of applications, from visual prototypes to patterns for investment casting. The materials available for stereolithography differ mainly in color, strength, stiffness, and impact strength. White, black, translucent, and transparent objects can be realized, and the components can feature complex, functional details or parts with comparatively high thermal resistance.